In this video, we're going to build a sell button expert advisor using MQL5, and when clicked, the button will instantly open a sell trade directly from the chart. So to start, we need to click the IDE icon in the MetaTrader 5 to open the meta editor. Click New, then Expert Advisor from Template, and then Next. We need to name the file. I'll just call mine sell button. You can name yours whatever you want. Click Next, Next, and Finish. Now remove everything above the untick function. We begin by including the trade library, which gives us access to the ctrade class. Next, we create an instance of ctrade called trade. We also declare two global price variables, ask and bid. Inside the onTick function, we calculate the current ask and bid prices using symbol info double for the current symbol and normalize double with digits to handle either 3 or 5 decimal places. Now we create the button on the chart using object create. The name of the button will be sell button, the type is obj button, and it will be placed in the main chart window. Next, we set the visual properties of the button using object set integer and object set string. We define the X and Y distance from the chart edge, the size of the button, its corner position, and the label text which will display sell. Now we need to handle the button press. For that we use onChart event function. Now we need to handle the button press. For that we use the onChart event function. We check if the event ID equals chart event object click, which tells us a chart object was clicked. Then we need to check if the clicked object's name is sell button, so we know that it was our button that was pressed. If that is true, then we display a comment confirming the button press, and we open a sell position using trade.sell. We open a 0.1 lot trade at the current bid price with a stop loss set to 300 points above and a take profit 250 points below. And this completes the code. Now we can click compile. You should see no errors. Any warnings are fine. Return to your MetaTrader 5 and open a live chart. Remember, the CA will not work in the strategy tester, so make sure you're using a demo account. Find your file that we've just created under Expert Advisors in the navigator, drag it onto the chart and then click OK. You'll see the sell button appear in the bottom right corner. Click on the button and a sell position will be placed automatically. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.